In a peaceful forest filled with green trees, golden sunlight, and singing birds, there lived a young girl with her father in a small wooden house made from simple logs. Every morning she woke up with a gentle smile, walked to the clear river to bring fresh water, collected dry wood from the forest, and helped her father so they could earn enough to live with dignity. Life was not easy, yet her heart was always calm and full of hope. Even when her hands felt tired and her feet ached from long walks, she never complained to God or blamed her fate. She believed that every hard day was quietly shaping a better tomorrow. The forest seemed to understand her kindness. Flowers bloomed brighter near her path, birds followed her softly, and the river sparkled as if encouraging her. Neighbors noticed her patience and warm nature, and slowly small blessings began to appear in her life, bringing comfort and peace to her home. Through her simple life, the girl showed the world that hope does not need riches or ease. It only needs faith, gratitude, and a heart that trusts the journey, proving that even in the quiet corners of a forest, hope can shine like the most beautiful color in the world.